Okay, so we have this first one here, this long polynomial, and they want us to evaluate it at 3 plus the square root of 2. Now, if you were to substitute in 3 plus the square root of 2 in for x, you're going to get this really ugly long thing, and you're going to have to distribute double FOIL and all that stuff. I want to avoid that. So an easier way to go about this would just be figure out what that value is in the calculator. So we'll just do 3 plus the square root of 2. So we get that. And you can actually select that and plug that into each part of this polynomial to solve. So we have 4 times, and I can go grab it, to the power of 3, plus 3 times, go grab it, squared, plus 5 times, grab it, plus 4. So that's our answer there. 428.5757 will do. Because they don't tell us how many decimal places they want, we'll just assume 4. That's a good place to go if you don't know how many decimal places they're asking for. Okay, this one here, we actually don't have that option. We have to just substitute in the values as they look and just simplify the expression that way. So the first one says find f of x plus 1. So I'm just going to rewrite my expression, but instead of x, I'm going to use x plus 1. So 2x squared becomes 2x plus 1 squared plus 4 times x plus 1 minus 2. Now it's a matter of just simplifying this thing. So just remember your order of operations. So this first one, I can't distribute the 2 until I've FOILed this thing. So remember, this is like x plus 1 times x plus 1. So this becomes, my first terms is x squared. My outer terms is 1 times x is 1x. My inner terms is 1 times x, which is 1x. So I get plus 2x. 1 times 1, I get 1. Plus, there's no exponent here, so I can just distribute there. 4x plus 4 minus 2. Okay, now I can distribute through these parentheses. So I have f of x plus 1 equals 2x squared plus 4x plus 2 plus 4x plus 4 minus 2. Now it's just a matter of cleaning it up. This is f of x plus 1. My x squared terms, I only have one of them. That's 2x squared. 4x and 4x, I have 8x. 2 and negative 2 cross out, so I'm left with that. So really, you were very close. I think there was just a mistake with this x term. But nice work. Okay, and the last one, I'm going to try and fit that over here just so we can see it. F of negative x. Whoops. F of negative x. I'm just going to rewrite it with a negative x. Okay, so this is negative x squared. So this is kind of like a weird rule, but since we know any negative number squared is going to result in a positive, whenever you see a negative number being squared like this in parentheses, you really can just drop that off because we know no matter what x is, the result's going to be positive. So this is the same as saying 2x squared, right? Negative 4 times negative 4 is positive 16, and negative times a negative is a positive. So this doesn't have any effect on anything. We have 4 times negative x. I can multiply these. I get negative 4x minus 2. So again, you were right there. It's just this negative goes away because when I apply the negative to the x, you got to put it in parentheses. So since it's being squared, we don't include it in our final answer. So you were 95% there on both of them, but nice work.